In the previous video, the basics of the keto diet were discussed. This video focuses on advanced keto and intermittent fasting. The first step is to extend breakfast as much as possible in the morning. The timing of the first meal depends on when hunger strikes, which is also influenced by what was eaten the night before. This video will mention foods that help keep you full for longer. It is crucial to focus on this step because many people struggle with it. Eating even when not hungry should be avoided. If mistakes are made here, weight loss will not happen, and results will not appear because the body might not have started burning fat yet. Eating too soon causes insulin levels to remain high, leading to glucose dependence rather than ketosis. As a result, hunger returns within a couple of hours, depending on the previous night's meal. Following the recommended foods will help extend the fasting period in the morning. This plan includes only 2 meals a day, with the goal of spending as much time as possible without eating. If hunger strikes before lunch, the first meal may need to be taken around 11 a.m., which is fine. The aim is to push the body's fat-burning period. Meals are taken within a 4-hour window, meaning the first meal is eaten, then there is a waiting period, followed by the second meal 4 hours later. This allows for a 20-hour fasting period, which is ideal for inducing ketosis. However, if the process is not followed correctly, weight loss will be minimal, and results will not be as expected. If thyroid issues, slow metabolism, or postmenopausal conditions are present, fasting may need to be extended further, with only 1 meal in 24 hours for better results. Now, regarding the first and second meals, eggs should be included daily, preferably organic and free-range rather than factory-farmed. Nuts, especially walnuts, olives, coconut oil, and desi ghee are recommended, but processed cheese should be avoided. Peanut butter is acceptable, but almond butter made at home is a better option. Many recipes are available online. Avoiding sugar and chemicals is essential to ensure the body receives enough healthy fats throughout the day, keeping insulin levels stable. If the first meal is taken at 11 a.m., it should include 150 to 200 grams of meat, preferably with fat. If consuming chicken, it should be paired with the skin. For athletes or those engaged in heavy physical activity, 250 grams of meat may be needed. The given measurements refer to raw meat since cooking reduces its weight. The focus is on meat quantity rather than protein calculations to keep things simple. The meat can be steamed or eaten raw in salads. If consuming vegetables causes bloating or gas, it indicates an imbalance in gut microbiome health. In such cases, vegetable intake should be reduced, as fiber can retain water in the body, leading to bloating and making weight loss less visible. Gradually increasing vegetable intake will allow the body time to heal and adapt. Nuts and fruits can be added to salads, and dressing can be made using olive oil and apple cider vinegar. These 2 meals provide various food combinations that can be adjusted based on individual preferences. Understanding all this information at once can be difficult, so starting is essential. As the process continues, knowledge will build over time. Snacking is not allowed, and staying busy helps avoid unnecessary eating. Overeating or snacking is often linked to boredom, which is where many people go wrong. Planning meals in advance ensures the right foods are available when hunger strikes. During fasting, vitamins can be taken without any issue. Apple cider vinegar, lemon water, ginger tea, or any herbal tea are allowed. Black coffee can be consumed plain or with butter or MCT oil. Sea salt and normal table salt are also permitted. The best time for exercise is while fasting, particularly in the early morning. Adding weight training during fasting can accelerate weight loss. Staying hydrated and maintaining electrolyte balance throughout the day is essential. Previous videos discussed the importance of liquid intake. The body will enter ketosis without needing any test when cravings disappear and hunger decreases. This indicates that ketosis has been successfully achieved. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.